Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to make the delicious, well-known Surinamese peanut soup, Pinda soup. So first you're going to want to add your 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you add your chopped onion and garlic. When that's fried, you add your salt beef. Don't forget to pre-cook it. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 dashes of black pepper, and then 2 cups of smoked chicken. Feel free to add whatever meats you like in it. Add 1 tomato, 1 celery stick chopped, and then you're gonna fry it up for about 3 minutes. Next, you're going to take 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, add some hot water to it, and stir it until it's soft. Add your 2 cans of coconut milk, some allspice, and then you add your peanut butter, your soft, smooth peanut butter. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of water, hot water that is, and add it to the pot. Then you're gonna taste the salt and add salt to your liking. Throw some celery in there and let it cook for about 10 minutes on small medium fire. Now what's delicious with peanut soup, they call it tomtom. You're gonna boil some middle to ripe plantain. And when it's boiled, you want to mash it and then form it into a ball. And then you serve your Pinda soup with tomtom. Enjoy! Don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.